Wall paneling is an elegant and versatile decor element that can instantly add character, depth, and texture to any space, making it a popular choice for interior designers and homeowners alike. Wall paneling is now recognized as a key component of modern interior design, offering a chic and flexible means of enhancing your area. In addition to being aesthetically beautiful, wall paneling fulfills functional needs by beautifully defining spaces, offering insulation, and hiding imperfections. There are wall paneling designs to suit every taste, from contemporary geometric patterns to classic wood panels. By combining different types of paneling, you can create a room in your home that is not only visually stunning but also distinctive and functional, regardless of your preference for the classic elegance of wood or the boldness of geometric designs. A flexible and transformative tool, wall paneling can totally change the atmosphere of your home. Wall paneling comes in various designs, including traditional types like shiplap, tongue and groove, and wainscoting, and modern styles such as 3D textured panels, geometric designs, and mixed material panels. Materials range from wood and MDF to PVC, metal, and glass, offering different aesthetics and functionalities for interior walls. Wall paneling offers diverse design options, from classic vertical wood slats that create height to modern 3D geometric panels for visual interest. Other popular choices include textured stone for an organic feel, mirrored or lacquered glass for a luxurious, light-reflecting effect, and rustic palette wood for a sustainable, reclaimed look. For accent walls or bedrooms, consider backlighting POP panels for a soft glow, or use liquid metal panel for a sophisticated finish. Wall paneling can turn a bedroom into a calm, fashionable haven by adding warmth and character. Soft, natural-hued wood panels provide an inviting atmosphere that is suitable for relaxation. The room feels opulent and peaceful with the upholstered panels behind the bed, and it adds comfort and style to your space. Wainscoting or batten patterns add depth and structure for a sophisticated appearance that blends well with both traditional and contemporary decor. Accent paneling in muted pastels or vivid textures can be an attractive focal point that elevates the room's overall design motif. Popular materials used in wall paneling add textures and styles to your room, which are appropriate for creating a specific style and purpose. Wood is a timeless option that performs well for both conventional and rustic designs because it provides warmth and flexibility in different kinds, such as reclaimed or wainscoting. Medium-density fiberboard is ideal for painted panel designs, and it is inexpensive and simple to modify. Vinyl and PVC panels are long-lasting, moisture-resistant, and suitable for kitchens and bathrooms. Glass and mirror panels create a contemporary appearance by adding light and creating the appearance of more space. Different types of wall paneling designs are wainscoting panels, beadboard wall paneling designs, shiplap paneling, tongue and groove paneling, plank paneling designs, board and batten wall paneling designs, raised and flat wall panels, wooden wall design, fabric wall panels with metal grids, mirror wall panel designs, and concrete or stone wall panels. An accent wall is a popular interior design technique that can breathe new life into any room. By incorporating a different color, texture, or pattern onto one wall, you can create a focal point that adds visual interest and depth to your space. Whether you're aiming for a dramatic backdrop or to highlight architectural features, accent walls offer endless possibilities for expressing your unique style. Wall paneling comes in various types, including 3D panels for a modern, textured look, wainscoting for a classic, two-tone style on the lower half of walls, and natural wood panels, which offer warmth and can be rustic or sophisticated. Other common types include laminate panels for durability and a wide range of finishes, upholstered panels for a soft touch and acoustic benefits, and PVC panels, which are ideal for moisture-prone areas like kitchens and bathrooms. Wall paneling can be a great option for apartments or small spaces. It gives the space character, dimension, and texture without dominating it. While mirror or reflective panels assist in lightening the space and provide the impression of additional space, light-colored wood or MDF panels can make a space appear more open and breezy. Acoustic panels can also lessen noise, which can help small apartments feel calmer. Wall paneling improves the appearance and usefulness of small areas when it is designed carefully. Wall paneling is relatively easy to install, especially when compared to other home renovation projects. Most wall panels come with a tongue and groove, screw, or clip and lock system, which means they can be easily fitted together without the need for special tools or equipment. Wall paneling comes in a wide range of materials, styles, and finishes, giving you plenty of options to choose from. Whether you prefer the warmth of wood, the sturdiness of fiber cement, or the sleekness of glass, there is a wall paneling material that will suit your taste and budget. One of the biggest benefits of wall paneling is that it is low maintenance and requires minimal upkeep over time. Some materials, such as fiber cement boards, have added benefits like being moisture and impact resistant. Since wall panels are designed to be durable and long-lasting, they have little need for repairs or maintenance, making them a practical and cost-effective solution. Wall molding is a versatile design element that adds architectural interest, texture, and definition to interior spaces. Popular designs range from traditional wainscoting and picture frame molding to modern geometric patterns and minimalist vertical lines. Wall moldings are more than just decorative elements, they provide structure, balance, and a personal touch to a space by creating a unique story through design. They can be subtle or bold, and their proper selection and maintenance are key to developing a cohesive and inviting atmosphere. Beyond aesthetics, they also serve a functional purpose by concealing imperfections and protecting walls. Wall paneling offers diverse design options to add character, warmth, and texture to any interior space, from classic wainscoting and board and batten to modern 3D and fluted panels. Materials range from natural wood to cost-effective laminates and PVC, offering flexibility for various styles and budgets. The proper wall paneling can improve the entire living room and set the mood. Wood paneling such as reclaimed wood creates a cozy atmosphere suitable for both modern and rustic farmhouse styles. Wainscoting adds a touch of sophistication, which gives a timeless look ideal for traditional decor. Geometric or 3D panels provide dynamic shapes that give interest and thickness for a modern edge. Textured stone panels work well as accent walls, adding a refined, organic vibe. Light can be reflected by metallic panels, giving the living area a lighter, airier sensation that is suitable for a stylish, contemporary design. Wall paneling has long been an integral component in interior design as it can easily improve a room's overall look. This paneling transforms basic walls into eye-catching design elements by adding texture, comfort, and individuality to interiors. Wall paneling offers several design options, enabling you to transform your home's aesthetic that suits your taste. Wall paneling is an innovative design option that adds beauty and functionality to your house. These panels can transform spaces with individuality, coziness, and elegance due to their various alternatives, ranging from modern geometric to traditional wood panels. Wall paneling is a flexible option that matches any style, whether it is used to create a statement in the living room, provide refinement to an office, or create a peaceful space in the bedroom. By using the appropriate paneling design, you can improve the aesthetics of your house and create areas that are distinctive, welcoming, and customized according to your tastes.